So what happened in Banaras today? The Varanasi court has reserved its order in the Gyanvapi case for tomorrow, which means tomorrow is likely to be that big verdict expected. But the hearing before the Varanasi District Court today was primarily to determine how the hearing will proceed further in this case. So what exactly happened? During the hearing, the Muslim side said the application on maintainability ought to be taken up first in accordance with the Supreme Court orders, while the Hindu side is still requesting for the report filed by the Commission, remember, in the court, to be taken up for consideration and on priority. So what happens tomorrow? The judge will be expected to give a decision on how the hearing can be conducted and how the matter will progress before the district court. The points to be taken up will be decided by the district court judge Ajay Vishvesha. All the files related to the Gyanvapi premises case have been transferred to the Varanasi District Court on Friday. Remember, there have been petitions after petition from Varanasi Court to the Supreme Court where the Gyanvapi case has reached.
आज माननीय न्यायालय ने अपना ऑर्डर रिजर्व रखा है इस आधार पे कि आगे अभी इस केस का प्रोसीजर क्या होगा, अगली तारीख सुनवाई की क्या होगी। हमने अपनी तरफ से एप्लीकेशन दी थी कि जो कमीशन की रिपोर्ट फाइल हुई है उसकी सीडी और फोटोग्राफ्स हमें प्रोवाइड की जाए और कमीशन की रिपोर्ट जो है इस केस के रिकॉर्ड पे पढ़ी जाए ऑर्डर 7 रूल 11 की हियरिंग पे। जो विपक्षी है उन्होंने कहा कि ऑर्डर 7 रूल 11 की सुनवाई पहले की जाए, तो माननीय न्यायालय ने आज अपना ऑर्डर सुरक्षित रखा है और एक प्रोसीजर बनाया जाएगा जिसके तहत अब इस मामले की सुनवाई आगे होगी। तो कल और इसका फैसला कल आएगा। जजमेंट
पिटीशन और कौन सी डेट पे
सुना जाएगा, किस ऑर्डर में सुना जाएगा और कब अगली सुनवाई की तारीख है, ये सारी बातें कल पता चलेंगी। कोर्ट ने अपना जजमेंट आज रिजर्व।
माननीय जज महोदय ने दोनों पक्षों को सुना। 7 और 11 के एप्लीकेशन पे उन्होंने कहा कि मैं भी इसका अध्ययन कर ले रहा हूँ, कल इस पर निर्णय दूंगा।
कल वो फैसला सुनाएंगे, यानी ऑर्डर रिजर्व रखा गया।
आदेश को सुरक्षित कर लिया गया।
Beyond the petitioners and the politics of it, it's also important to understand what the experts are saying. India Today exclusively spoke to the Persian scholar Arif Ayubi. He's explaining now what could have possibly happened during Aurangzeb's reign and how the Vishwanath temple in Varanasi was in fact demolished by Mughal ruler Aurangzeb. Listen in to how he's also helping transcribe and translate the rulings and the orders of those days.
क्या है ये हमको पढ़ के थोड़ा सा बताइए।
इसकी हैसियत फरमान की नहीं है, ये कोई फरमान नहीं है और इसके ऊपर आप देख रहे हैं कि इसके ऊपर किसी के कोई दस्तखत भी नहीं है और इसमें सिर्फ ये बताया है जिसने भी इसको नकल किया है वो मासरे आलमगीरी का सफ़ा 88 बता रहा है और जो डेट पड़ी है वो सन 1080 हिजरी की है, जो तक सन ईस्वी के हिसाब से 1669 बनती है। और फरमान तो ये नहीं है बिल्कुल भी, क्योंकि ये सिर्फ एक इत्तला पहुंचाई गई है बादशाह को, या किसको पहुंचाई गई ये भी नहीं कहा जा सकता पक्के तौर पे।
क्या इसका एग्जैक्ट ट्रांसलेशन है?
एग्जैक्ट ट्रांसलेशन तो यही बना है कि काशी विश्वनाथ की तौहीद परस्तों, मतलब ये कि अल्लाह वालों कह लीजिए आप इसको, तौहीद परस्त जाहिर है जो वन गार्ड में जो अपना रखते हैं अकीदा, तो उसकी खिदमत में ये अर्ज है कि हुक्म कज़ा से मजदूरों की मदद से काशी विश्वनाथ के बुतखाने को तोड़ दिया गया।
अगर डेट को हम देखें, इस डेट को, तो ये डेट फिर से एक बार हमें बताइएगा दर्शकों के समझने के लिए कि कौन सी डेट है ये, कौन सी डेट ये है?
स्पेसिफाई नहीं की है।
जो डेट लिखी हुई है वो
सिर्फ 1080 हिजरी लिखा हुआ है, इस पे मंथ वगैरह नहीं लिखा है इसमें, इसलिए हम इसमें कुछ नहीं कह सकते।
यानी कि ये स्पष्ट है कि ये 1669 का है, लेकिन महीना नहीं स्पष्ट है।
महीना स्पष्ट नहीं है इससे, महीना तारीख कुछ भी जाहिर नहीं हो रही इससे।
So there you heard it, what the scholars are also saying. But of course we understand there are so many petitions and arguments taking place in the court. Let me help explain to you what exactly happened in the Varanasi court today. Now remember, this time the Muslim side and the Hindu side have also been heard. And here in this virtual representation, I'll try to tell you what the Muslim side said first. Now they are saying that the namaz prayers have been offered in the Gyanvapi Mosque premises as it stands today since 1936, which also means they are requesting the court to consider in that sense the manner in which that these religious sentiments are also at play. But the Hindu side is saying There is a survey that has been done. Include the photographs, the videos with the survey report importantly. But the Muslim side maintains that by this, with Gyanvapi, remember, and demands that are coming forth, the court must decide if the case is maintainable at all. Because remember, as what the Varanasi court decides today can then become a precedence further as well. So this is what the Muslim side and the Hindu side as well have said. What happens tomorrow? A big verdict expected. The court reserves the decision for today, but is expected to give a verdict tomorrow, again on how the court will progress with the hearing. Let's go across on the ground now. My colleague Abhishek is reporting constantly on this case. Abhishek, you know, this case again reaching the court. But what do you think, as of course we cannot predict what the court will say tomorrow, but both the Muslim side and the Hindu side are very clear and very defined. And they are saying on the Hindu side, if there is evidence, there is survey, consider it on priority. You've got the survey submitted in the court. But the Muslim side is saying, namaz and prayers are being offered. How can that suddenly be stopped now?
Well, absolutely, Pooja. And today, on the first day of the hearing at the Varanasi District Court, Judge A.K. Vishvesha had a look upon the fact that how the Muslim side has been speaking about the fact that whether this petition should be heard or not. And under the 711, they have tried to raise this matter, and the judge has heard their, all these remarks and all those points which they have made. On the other hand, Hindu side, who has been very vocal from day one, be it the report of the survey and all those markings and all those significant, relevant signages which have been found there as far as the survey is concerned. So the Hindu side is very keen that the report clearly says that there is a significance of the Shivalinga, there is a significance as far as Shringar Gauri temple is concerned, but Muslim side maintained the fact today. They even spoke about the 1936 Deen Muhammad case and mentioning the fact that it is indeed should be taken into consideration. So all these things have been argued today. The court has reserved the order. Tomorrow we'll get to know what exactly date has been given, because there is a possibility that the judge might take some more time or give another date when the whole hearing will begin. But one thing is very clear, that on the first day both the sides has argued about their own side, and the judge has kept the decision for now on hold, and which will be revealed tomorrow.